Have you ever intuitively felt disrespect toward someone? You're not sure why, but there's just something about this person that you just can't stand. Chances are that it's because they live by another set of rules than you. A set of rules that are selfish, weak, and emotionally unstable. A set of rules that are the complete opposite of those who follow the Stoic, virtuous path of life. Let us explore 10 behaviors that are in stark contrast to what Stoicism teaches us about a virtuous life. 1. Lack of accountability. Picture this. You're working on a group project, and someone consistently shifts blame to others. How does that make you feel? Frustrated? Disappointed? The erosion of trust in their inability to take responsibility may leave you questioning the foundation of respect you once had. Now, from a Stoic perspective, individuals practicing accountability acknowledge their mistakes openly. They take responsibility and actively work to rectify the situation, fostering an environment of trust and maintaining the respect of those around them. 2. Lack of integrity and dishonesty. Moving on to the second respect killer, lack of integrity and dishonesty. Imagine discovering someone close has been weaving a web of deceit, betrayed, hurt, and questioning the authenticity of your connection. These emotions are the threads that unravel when faced with dishonesty, causing respect to crumble. From a Stoic standpoint, those practicing honesty and integrity build trust. In the face of mistakes, they openly communicate, acknowledging their missteps. This approach preserves the fabric of trust, allowing respect to thrive in the authenticity of their actions. 3. Disregard for others' well-being. Consider the third behavior that erodes respect, a blatant disregard for the well-being of others. Envision a scenario where someone's selfish actions negatively impact those around them. The empathy you once felt is replaced with frustration and disappointment as the fabric of mutual respect is torn. Stoicism teaches that considering the well-being of others cultivates harmony. Individuals practicing Stoic principles actively seek ways to contribute positively to the collective, fostering an atmosphere of mutual respect. 4. Seeking external validation. Now let's talk about those who constantly seek external validation. Imagine a friend who never seems content unless validated by others. How does that make you feel? Perhaps a mix of pity and frustration, as their perpetual need for approval becomes a drain on the authentic connection you seek. From a Stoic perspective, those secure in themselves find contentment within. Seeking approval is replaced by internal validation, allowing them to authentically connect with others without the need for external affirmations. 5. Lack of gratitude. Ever been around someone who's just never satisfied? Lack of gratitude can be a real respect deteriorator. Picture a coworker who consistently complains about their job despite its perks. Annoyed, you might feel unappreciated and question the merit of offering respect to someone who can't find contentment. Stoicism emphasizes cultivating gratitude. Individuals practicing Stoic principles express appreciation for what they have, fostering an environment where contentment replaces constant complaints and mutual respect thrives. 6. Uncontrolled emotions. The classic respect loser. Imagine a colleague who turns every minor inconvenience into a full-blown drama. How does that make you feel in a professional setting? Annoyed? Perhaps embarrassed? The immediate disruption causes respect to crumble, overshadowed by the weight of emotional turbulence. Stoicism guides individuals to manage emotions skillfully. Practitioners maintain composure, addressing challenges with rationality. This approach fosters a professional environment where emotional turbulence gives way to respect for one's emotional intelligence. 7. Lack of resilience. Let's talk about resilience. Picture someone who crumbles under the weight of challenges, unable to navigate the storm. How does that make you feel when you're relying on them? Disappointed? Frustrated? The lack of resilience becomes a crack in the foundation of respect, making it vulnerable to the storms of life. Stoicism teaches resilience in the face of challenges. Individuals embracing this philosophy learn to navigate storms with grace. Their ability to stand strong builds respect as others witness their unwavering resolve. 8. Constant complaints and blame. Up next, those perpetual complainers who always find something or someone to blame. Imagine a friend who never seems content and constantly points fingers. How does that make you feel? Tired, perhaps frustrated? The constant discontent becomes a pitfall, dragging respect into the mire of perpetual blame. Stoicism encourages a shift in perspective. Individuals practicing Stoic principles focus on solutions rather than dwelling on complaints. This shift fosters an environment where respect is built on collaboration and a proactive approach to challenges. 9. Attachment to outcomes. Let's dive into those who are excessively attached to outcomes beyond their control. Picture someone who can't let go, trying to control everything. How does that make you feel when plans inevitably change? Frustrated, maybe stressed? The futile control attempts become a barrier, causing respect to slip away like sand through your fingers. From a Stoic perspective, individuals embrace the idea of controlling only what is within their power. Letting go of the need to control everything allows them to adapt gracefully to changing plans, maintaining respect through flexibility and understanding. 10. Excessive materialism. Finally, let's talk about those who are excessively materialistic. Imagine someone whose possessions define their worth. How does that make you feel when genuine connection takes a back seat? Disappointed, realizing that respect might be buried beneath the weight of excessive materialism, lost in the clutter of possessions. Stoicism calls for valuing connections over material possessions. Individuals practicing Stoic principles focus on meaningful relationships, fostering an environment where genuine connection takes precedence over the superficial, allowing respect to flourish. As we wrap up this journey through behaviors that might not earn you respect in the Stoic book, remember, Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a way of life. Respect is something you earn, and the Stoic path offers a guidebook to building it on solid ground. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.